I'm at San Jose restaurant in Hogan. They've invited me in to sample the food and learn how it's cooked. Can't wait to go in the kitchen. Let's go. We have 60-degree hot pan oil. We're gonna put it in there. Be careful because there's a lot of splashing going on. Gotta be very careful. So we got a mixture of peppers, onions, garlic, oils, herbs. There's lemon juice in there. This is gonna be a lot going on here. Then we have some salt. We have a mixture of spices here, which is a little bit of, I think, some garlic powder, some cumin, some ginger. Butter with flavor, more flavor. Going into the pan, hot pan, salt, God's love, going in. We're gonna go in the pan with this. Lovely. So we got a whole team behind us. Everybody's making sure the ingredients are coming out right. What's next?
The next is here.
Perfect. In this mixture we have garlic, onions, pimentos. I think this is a secret ingredient. We haven't seen this yet since we've been around cooking. It's more of a garlic cream we have going in here. And it's very potent. Lovely textures, lovely flavors. Going in all around. One thing I've really noticed in Cuban cooking, it is very basic ingredients going on, but all the basic ingredients all have serious flavor coming out. And I think that really is the base of Cuban cooking. There's lots of onions, lots of garlic coming out. You really taste it. One more test. Lovely pimento flavor. I think it's finished, chef.
That's okay.
It's okay, it's perfect, yeah?
Perfect.
Did we get the okay? Yeah. The dish we have here is masa cega frita. We're gonna give it a shot. Hey, chef, you wanna give it a try? Chef wife, everybody tries?
Ay, deja probar. Johnny, deja probar ahí. Let me taste. Johnny, coge uno ahí.
Lovely, juicy.
Johnny,
You taste the pimento. I've made it a bit stronger, I think, but I like that flavor. How is it? Boom? Yeah, up high. Boom. Boom. Thank you.
Very good.
Boom. Hot.
Delicious.
Perfect. I got this one right.
Perfect.
In our trip to Cuba, we eat a lot of banana. They call it plantains here. This is our first actual look at the raw plantains, or they call it a donkey plant. We are bringing some of these home to Ireland and showing you how to make these. These are going to be a lovely one. Thanks for watching.